So I made almost $1,000 trading using this indicator. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. Okay guys, before I forget, because most of you guys say I don't actually give out the indicator, so congratulations to this account right here. You've won yourself the indicator that we're using right now. So all you have to do is contact me and I'll be able to send it to you with the instructions on how to install and everything. You've got this comment picked. As you can see, it's my channel, and this video I posted it 4 days ago, sorry. And if you want to win this, actually all you have to do is to like this video, subscribe, and comment something interesting down below, and I'll be able to pick you out and pin your comment like that. So if your comment is pinned, you just know that you have won that spot. So comment something interesting that you can actually pin right there. So let's get back to the video. Up there, we're on V75 in our 5-minute time frame. We are already deep in profit. We took a sell trade based on what the indicator had said. We got that sell entry trade right there that you see right there. And you can see we ended right here and we're already in profit. This is how the trade actually looks like on my phone. There's a 5-minute time frame. You can see we're already going down in profit. Now, you guys know that I really like to take trades from the indicator that come from this yellow zone, because we said that yellow zone has got strong sell momentum. Now, if you've been following, you know I've been talking about it. And we said at the bottom right here, we've got this blue zone, which is a strong buy momentum. So whenever we see a trade in this yellow zone and it's a sell, we really want to take it all out. We really stake it and we really try and maximize on it, because we know it's almost guaranteed. Okay, as you can see, we're already in profit, right? As well as if we take a trade from that blue zone, we know that if it's a buy trade, it's almost guaranteed. You can see every time we got into the blue zone, we were buying, and every time we got in this yellow zone, we were selling. So let's see how this one turns out. I want to update you guys a little bit later on. What did I tell you guys? We are deep in profit on V75. We keep going down and down and down. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna update you guys a little bit later on, and you see how far we have gone. Okay, I told you guys that if we have this yellow zone and we get an entry, we're going to definitely enter into that trade. And I'm going to show you guys that we have actually entered into a sell trade on V51S right there. And we know price is going to really push down. We're expecting price to even get lower to these stages, because we know, okay, you can see we are in profit. We're a little bit late on this trade, but nonetheless, we expect it to drop all the way down to these levels, at least this level, and you know it's good. But look at what I told you guys. As long as you get an entry from this yellow zone, if you have our indicator, just sell really, really hard, because you're about to get in profit. So I'm gonna update you guys later on how this trade plays out. Literally all the trades are getting into profit. This is V51S. We literally just jumped in a few moments ago, and I said the same thing again, that if you're in a yellow zone and you get your sell entry, that's a strong sell momentum. I want to repeat this probably 50 times, and people will probably still say the indicator doesn't work, but look at it. Case and point. I've got results right there. Look at the strong sell momentum that's coming up. Again, I'm going to update you guys later on how this plays out. Of course, our indicator is the greatest profit we have on V75. Look at how we're killing it. So remember, we got that sell entry right here from the indicator. And I told you guys, as long as we are in that sell zone, this yellow zone from the indicator, the momentum is going to be hard. And look at that. I literally said it just a few minutes ago. A lot of you guys would say, no, the indicator is fake, doesn't work, and all that. This is proof right here. I don't know, you guys. I don't know how else you want it to work. Yellow zone, get your sell entry, jump in. There's strong sell momentum. The opposite is true. Blue zone, get your buy entry and jump in. Okay, I'm gonna update you guys on how this works, but we are deeping. Okay, so I'm in my 5 minute time frame on volatility 31s. A lot of you guys have been asking me if the indicator works on those indices, and right here we just got some strong buy entries, and we're also in this blue zone. You guys know if you're in this blue zone, we hope to buy. So I'm just gonna go right here to my PC and start buying. Uh, and we'll see how it's going to perform. But hopefully, it's going to shoot up all the way back to that yellow zone. I'm going to show you guys every detail on how this trade plays out. Guys, look at that. This is V31S. Told you guys, if you the opposite is true. If you are in the blue zone, wait for buy entries, and if you get these buy entries, there's going to be a strong bullish momentum, just like the opposite. It is true for this yellow zone. And look at that. Look at how much momentum this thing has. It's really pushing up. We just entered this trade just a few moments ago. We were actually late. We were supposed to enter a little bit down here because we were already in the blue zone. And the whole indicator did this analysis. I didn't even do my own analysis. I just banged on the indicator and just look at that. Should have gone full margin, bro. But anyways, I'm gonna update you guys on more of these trades. So I'm in my 1 hour time frame on V50, and I see that price is in our yellow zone right there. So we ended the sell trade also based on this sell entry that we got from the indicator. So the whole analysis was done by the indicator. This yellow zone was drawn by the indicator, and as you guys know, if we're at the yellow zone, price is going to definitely dip down. But uh this might actually be a very long trade. V50 doesn't really move that fast, and actually we got the trade from the 1 hour time frame, so it might actually take a while. But here's how the trade looks like on the phone. We're a little bit late on that one, but we know there's a very strong sell momentum that's going to come, so we're going to hold it patiently. Another update on V50. I just thought I would show you guys how it's dipping. Although I told you it's very early for us to even conclude on this, but look at just that move. Look at that move, guys. Look at that move. Look how far it's just pushing. This is just amazing to watch. This is just amazing to watch. And now, when I saw this trade, I quickly rushed to place it because it's a buy trade on V25. We're in on 5 minute time frame, and we just got this buy trade in the middle of nowhere. We're already in profit. Actually, here's how it looks like on my phone. We're just scalping with this 25. You know, if you get an accurate indicator, you can do this. You can enter a trade based on this. So we got the buy entry right here from the indicator. Probably price is gonna hit our yellow zone right there. Now there's the luxury of an indicator. You can just get in and out of trades, get your profits, and get out. Just scalp a little. Okay, this is probably not even going to be a long trade. I don't know. There is not a single trade that is not going to be in profit using this indicator. V50 is already in profit. Probably too early for me to update you on this one, but this is a pretty long trade. Again, you can see V50 right there. We're in a 1 hour time frame, so this is probably going to take a while to really fall down. But already, I'm in profit. Can probably close out some of my trades. And just using the same concept, we're in our yellow zone, we've got a sell entry. That's why we jump in. You'll never go wrong with the indicator. But I just want to prove to you guys the whole concept that I've been explaining to you, that if we get into this yellow zone and you get an entry of a sell trade, please sell. This is V51S, and I'm just showing you that you would have made profit just by following this indicator. I didn't enter this trade. It's just an observation that I just made. This is crazy, guys. This is V31S. A lot of you guys just ask me, does it work on the volatility 31S? Here is your proof. We ended while we're in this blue zone. got multiple buy entries. Look at how much it is pushing all the way up. With 31s definitely killed right there. Okay, quick update on V51s. It dropped, guys. Look at that. It really fell really hard, and power off the indicator. This is on a bigger time frame, the 50-minute time frame. We just sold massively down there. Okay, guys, so the indicator also gave us an entry on V10. This was a sell entry. As you can see, V10 index. We're also in profit. We ended a little bit late on this one. I think about 10 minutes late on this trade, but we're hoping price is going to reach down here to this green buy zone that we got from the indicator. So let's wait and see. Look at where my entry is and look at where price is now at. Power of the indicator. I told you guys, if we are in this yellow zone and you get an entry, a sell entry, please run and dive with your whole life, because that's a very strong sell momentum, and this only comes from the indicator itself. And I don't know, guys, look at it. Okay, this is probably going to be my last trade showing you guys this V10. We just entered into it based on what the indicator said, and we're in profit as usual. This is a trade. Was a little bit late on this one, probably very late, but of course the indicator doesn't miss. We are still in profit. I was supposed to end up somewhere there. Now imagine if I had ended a little bit earlier, how much profit that would be. Probably going to target this price. For price, it's dropping massively. I'm not running away. I'm just really tired. Plus, I've been trading all my trades. I've been hitting profit. If you have been watching from the VIP signals group, you know we've been already hitting the target that I told you guys. And you guys would think probably I was running away from it. But anyways, we've been hitting profits. Remember to check out our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. That's where you'll be able to find my trading results, my students' trading results, everything that I do on trading. You'll be able to find it. And remember, if you subscribe, like, and comment, you stand a chance to win this indicator. So tell me, guys, what you think about it. Until next time.